In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process for logging into Google NotebookLM so you can start organizing your research. I begin on the official NotebookLM landing page, which introduces the tool as an AI-powered thinking partner grounded in your own data. To get started, I'll move my cursor to the center of the page and click the Try NotebookLM button. This redirects me to the Google Sign-in portal, where I'll select my preferred Gmail account from the list provided. On the next screen, I'll enter my password into the field and click the blue Next button to authenticate my account. You may see a few optional security prompts, such as a suggestion to sign in faster with passkeys. For this tutorial, I'll just click Not Now. When the account recovery screen appears, I'll click Cancel to move past it, and I'll also click Skip on the option to set a home address. Once the dashboard fully loads, I am greeted with a variety of featured notebooks that showcase how to use the tool for different topics. Below the featured section, I can see my own recent notebooks where my previous research is stored. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.